What's up guys, Junior here with my fucked up mini bike. I barely fixed it and it broke again. Like a couple days I was riding and I fell. And after that day, my whole bike got fucked up. My tire got fucked up, like you could see. It's flat. If I try to go forward, it doesn't. If I try to go back, it doesn't. And the kickstand with the spring, I lost the spring. And you guys could see right here that I'm missing a bolt. And it was in the same day I lost the bolt. Plus, it's freaking leaking oil. Damn. So yeah, ain't gonna be riding for a couple days. So yeah, but for now, I'll be using my bike. Like I said, I'm gonna try to do BMX tricks. So yeah, be practicing on that bike for now, and work on this bike. I'll keep you update when it's all fixed again. I'll tell you what was wrong with the whole mini bike. And like I said, I need you guys subscribe, like, favorite, share. And thank you for watching. Until next time, peace, ride or die.